Do you know 3 magic keys to talk about what you own? માલિકી બતાવતા 3 જાદુઈ શબ્દો. Has, have, had. Now magic rule. Has is used with he, she, it, singular in present tense. Have is used with I, we, you, they, plural form in present tense. Had is used with all subjects in past tense. Let's understand with examples. I have a car. મારી પાસે કાર છે. She has a pen. એની પાસે પેન છે. We had a holiday. અમે રજા લીધી હતી. Now quick fix. He have a bike. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. The correct one is he has a bike. So remember friends, have, has, had. A ownership, that means માલિકી બતાવતા શબ્દો છે. Use them wisely. Follow for more easy English grammar tips.